Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Since we know now that discussions lead to a high retention rate of the participants while training, I would like to show you now a group work which I use regularly to guide the discussion. The method consists of 6 easy steps. Point 1. Create groups. Training groups are normally too big to create a useful discussion. I create smaller groups. A good number of people is 3, not too big and not too small. Point 2. You give a clear task, what you want from the participant. As an example here, we create a discussion in a sales training about the topic, how can we grow the sales in the region? Each group needs to write down each idea on one separate pin card and pin it onto the board. Use different colors for each group so you can separate the answers later. Point 4, tell them how long time they have for this task and let them work with not interrupting them. That means you can observe them, you can look at them, what they are doing, but don't interrupt or guide them while the discussion. Let them discuss it by themselves. After all the cards are on the board, let them define clusters and name these clusters. In our case, it could be, for example, to increase the sales in a region. It could be a topic or a cluster named sales pitch training, or product advertisement, or price reduction. Now you have all the clustered answers on the board. In training, you want to create a certain learning experience. You need to guide the participants to this learning experience with smart questions. Like in this case, for example, which measure would be the best to achieve higher sales in your region? Last but not least, we do a little training. Guide a discussion with your colleague about the topic, how could we reduce CO2 privately? Use the learned discussion method for it. Have fun!